Good morning, class. I'm so happy that you've enrolled in ORLD 2700, Human Resources and Personnel Management. Welcome to class. My name is Justin Lacey, and I will be your instructor for the next 8 weeks. So very, very excited to have each one of you in class. You may notice I've got a lot of my Oklahoma State University stuff on. I'm actually the Director of Human Resources Consulting Services, Equal Opportunity, and I serve as the Title IX Coordinator at Oklahoma State University in Stillwater, Oklahoma. So I'm not physically present in the St. Louis area. However, I've been here at OSU for about 10 years, which was my undergraduate alma mater. But for the 10 years previously, I was in St. Louis. I did my master's and my doctorate degree in St. Louis itself at SLU. And then I worked at SLU for a couple years in human resources. So again, my heart is definitely a Billiken. But again, I'm physically located in Stillwater, Oklahoma right now. So even though I'm not physically located in the St. Louis area, I'm always going to be available for you. On the syllabus, you'll have my email and my phone number. You're always welcome to contact me for any questions whatsoever. Additionally, if you need to actually some more direct time, we can always arrange that as well. Just call me or shoot me an email and we'll work it out. So again, wanted to welcome you all to class. It's going to be a quick 8 weeks, but again, it's going to be a fun 8 weeks. This class, again, being an HR professional myself, I love this stuff, obviously, but I think you will love it too, because even if you never go into HR as an actual career, the good news about this information is that it will follow you wherever you go. So the things that we're going to learn about this semester, from staffing and compensation and labor relations, all these things, whenever you're in the working world, you're going to be exposed to these things. As managers, as future managers, you're going to be making these decisions yourself. So knowing these techniques and knowing all this information is only going to help you become a better manager in the future. So again, I really, really think that you'll enjoy this class. Again, it's very hands-on. We cover a lot of chapters in a very short amount of time. We have one big group project, one individual project for the semester that you'll complete. We only have one exam. It's a comprehensive exam that'll be taken during the last week of class, and then we have several weekly projects. And again, the projects don't take up a lot of time for you to complete, but again, as long as you focus and make sure you get the right information, you should do very well in this class. If you read the syllabus, you'll notice this is the book that we'll use for the class. It's HR Management, Gaining a Competitive Advantage. Make sure you're using the 10th edition. Again, this is what it looks like. So again, most of the exam questions and a lot of the things I'll be referring to come directly out of the book, so make sure you have the most updated version. So again, definitely want to welcome you to class. I think you'll really, really enjoy it, and most importantly, I think you'll learn something from it. So again, throughout the semester, if you find yourself struggling or you find yourself not understanding the concepts, please don't hesitate to call me and let me know, or shoot me an email. I'm happy to walk you through any things that you're wondering about or any questions that you have, because again, my goal is I want you to be successful in this class. I want you to do well, because again, I think you'll really be able to use these concepts in the working world. So again, my name is Justin. If you have any further questions, let me know. Otherwise, welcome to class.